Crazy Connor coming at you with yet another van time review. Today we are at Wendy's. Normally don't eat fast food, but I'm going to take the seatbelt off because it's pissing me off. But right now they have a jalapeno fresco, spicy chicken, and the ghost pepper fries. I really don't expect much out of the ghost pepper fries. Oh, they gave me 2 straws too. Crazy length or some. Okay. What is this on there? They cut up a jalapeno on top of your ghost pepper fries.
Maybe they should call them jalapeno fries.
Oh, I know, eh?
Are they hot?
Well. Throw them some sauce on and stuff. Yeah. Not. Like there's a nip there, like you can tell there's spice.
Yeah, they're not.
But like not anywhere near ghost pepper level.
They're hotter than I thought they would be. I didn't think they'd serve anything that hot.
That could also just be the fresh jalapenos chopped up too, depending on the. Because jalapenos, you never know what you're gonna get when you buy them. Okay, so here's the spicy, the chicken jalapeno fresco burger. That's tasty. That's really tasty, actually. Oh no, it's not bad, really. Kind of they kind of skimp though on the sauce and the toppings on the fries, because like underneath there, it's all these fries with no sauce. That's probably my only complaint right now. But I guess for the general public, they can't make them stupid hot. So anyways, that's all the time we have for this Crazy Connor's van review, whatever I call this show. So until next time, cheers.